Before we begin our how-to steps, we will define the relevant concept of audience. According to these three perspectives on audience defined by Barry Kroll, writers, like successful speakers, must analyze the audience's beliefs, traits, and attitudes so that their messages can be adapted to the particular characteristics of specific audiences. Here we have a demonstration of what we call rhetorical analysis. By using this illustration, we can look at the relationship between key elements of any rhetorical situation. First is the writer, or the one conveying the message. Second, the reader is the one who is receiving the message. Then, the text is the medium used for the writer to communicate to the reader. These 3 points of the triangle, writer, reader, and text, demonstrate the 3 perspectives discussed earlier. The purpose is the message itself and the impact it intends to make on the reader. This is in the middle of the triangle, as this is the driving force of the 3 perspectives. Finally, the context is the environment that the situation takes place in, and thus encircles the triangle. According to Aristotle, speech is the joint result of 3 things: the speaker, the subject, and the person addressed. To re-emphasize, this shows that the audience is a key component of any rhetorical situation, be it writing or speech. It is also important to note that in Aristotelian terms, audience points to the final cause for which form exists, to the purposefulness or its lack that makes a piece of prose shapely and full of possibility or aimless and empty. In other words, without the audience, there is no purpose for the text and the writer to convey it. Now that we have defined audience and outlined the importance of it, we will explain the steps necessary to define audience in the next video.